In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your business finances by tracking sales as invoices or sales receipts, categorizing fees and shipping expenses, and regularly importing your bank or PayPal transactions. These essential financial tasks will not only help you stay organized, but also give you better control over your cash flow, allowing you to make more informed decisions about your business. Let's start with tracking sales. When a customer purchases a product or service, it's important to decide whether to record the transaction as an invoice or a sales receipt. Invoices are typically used when a customer pays you at a later date, whereas a sales receipt is generated when payment is received on the spot. Utilizing the right format ensures accurate record keeping. For invoices, include all relevant details like the invoice number, date, customer's information, and a clear breakdown of the products or services provided. Remember to specify the terms of payment, such as the due date. For sales receipts, capture the payment method, date, and a similar breakdown of purchases. This clarity will simplify your bookkeeping processes and pave the way for more effective financial tracking. Next, let's dive into categorizing fees and shipping costs as expenses. This step is crucial for understanding the true cost of delivering your products or services. Each time you incur a fee, whether it's from a payment processor or for shipping goods to a customer, make sure to record it accurately in your accounting software. This way, you can easily identify patterns and trends in your business expenses over time. Consistently categorizing these costs helps in budgeting and, more importantly, in pricing your products correctly. You'll want to log every fee with enough detail so that when it comes time for tax season, you're not left scrambling to gather incomplete records. Now on to regularly importing your bank or PayPal transactions. This might seem like a daunting task, but it's a crucial part of keeping financial records up to date. Most accounting software makes importing transactions straightforward, allowing you to match them with existing records. Dedicate time each week to check your transaction history and ensure everything is accurately categorized. If your system allows it, set up bank feeds that automatically import transactions. This feature not only saves time but also minimizes the chance for human error. Regularly monitoring these transactions keeps you on top of your income and expenses, helping to avoid discrepancies that can lead to bigger issues down the line. By implementing these practices, you'll establish a solid foundation for managing your business finances more efficiently. This structured approach releases you from financial headaches so you can focus more on growing your business. Combining thorough sales tracking, precise expense categorization, and consistent transaction imports is your roadmap to financial clarity and success. So take these steps today and watch how effortlessly you can take control of your business's financial health. Thank you for watching, and remember, efficient financial management is the cornerstone of any prosperous venture.